In this tutorial, we'll look at the DNA automation sending time settings. Click your name at the top and click on the Office settings. At the bottom of the Settings tab, you will see an area called Office. In the Office section, you'll have a default automation start time. This is the start time in the morning that your SMSs and emails will begin sending. If you plus 9 hours onto this, that is the automatic sending window time. So if anything is scheduled to go between 10:30 a.m. and 7:30 p.m. at night, it will send automatically. As soon as it passes 7:30 p.m., any automatic emails or SMSs that are due to be sent that night will be paused and will not send until the next morning at 10:30 a.m. So you can play around with your start times by adjusting the hours and the minutes up and down. You're generally going to leave that as AM, but you can change it to PM if needed. And make sure the time you select, you understand that automation will send from that time plus 9 hours.